Look, Siddharth, I haven't tell you anything before, but let me tell you one thing. One day you will surely realize that mithai is one in a million. Do you know what I'm scared of? I just hope it's not too late by then.
Uncle, I have to go to the office. Let me get ready.
You know what, uncle? It's like casting pearls before a swine. Hello, holla party. Listen to me. During the festival, we have to bring both of them closer.
Yes.
What am I talking about?
It is a very difficult question. Sid and Mithai.
What if the fellow is silly? He's very wise.
Oh, come on, brother-in-law.
Huh?
Can we really do this?
We have to do it. Give me your hands.
Yes.
Yes.
Yay!
Oh Lord, may this family always keep smiling. May everyone always have fun, okay? Mithai will go away. But never let the laughter fade away from this house.
Tess? Ready? We have to visit a site. We are already late.
Siddharth, I read all the documents, you just sign it. It's a divorce petition. It's written here that you were forced to marry Mithai. Now you can't adjust, so you want to divorce. Tess, please
Yes?
give me a pen.
Sure.
Tess, wait. Sir, what are you even saying? I already told you that I can't divorce her on false allegations, right? And I don't believe in this ritual called marriage. So what is the need to go to such lengths to get a divorce? Sir, you are Grandpa's son. Didn't you see how Grandpa reacted when he heard about the divorce yesterday?
I saw it, Siddharth. But even then, you have to sign here. Otherwise, according to the society, you'll be a married man and Mithai will be your wife. Mrs. Roy. Mrs. Roy, please talk to him. Enough is enough.
Sid,
No, Aunt. There's no need to explain anything to me. Grandpa will never approve of this. And I can't give such a big shock to Grandpa.
Yesterday, when you left the house, you didn't remember about Grandpa, right? Look, Siddharth, stop behaving like a child. Do what I'm asking you to do. Sign on the petition. I'll get Mithai to sign here. Only then will the mutual divorce be possible.
what kind of logic is this, Sid? What is the problem in divorcing the girl whom you haven't accepted as your wife? Just assume that this is also a ritual. You married her without believing it. Might as well divorce her without believing it. It will be for your good, Sid. Sid, your marriage is legal, you know. You will follow the law of the country, right?
Aunt, I came here to pick up Tess for office. Why all this? I'll come later on, yeah?
How much time will it take to sign, Sid?
Aunt, please don't force me. Aunt, you know that I need my space. No one can force me to do anything. You know this, right? And I have to think about Grandpa. At one point in time, Grandpa became my support system when no one else was with me. If Sir had thought about me even once, then it would have been better today.
Sid, it has nothing to do with your signature. Rather say you have accepted Mithai as your wife.
Tess, you know very well that this is not true. But you are saying this to hurt me, that's all. Anyway, we are getting late. Are you coming?
Siddharth, let me tell you one thing very clearly. I'll break your marriage with Mithai and get you married to Torsha. I'll make her my daughter-in-law. Torsha is fit for you in every way. And we all know this. Torsha is not only your friend, Siddharth. She loves you a lot. And that is a fact. If you had not married Mithai in a haste that day, then Torsha would have been our daughter-in-law.
Tess, this was something really personal. Our personal issue, right? Why did you discuss this with Mr. Modak? This is so not done, Tess. So not done. Anyway, I'm leaving.
No. Sid, listen to me, Sid.
Cook uncle,
Yes,
load the sweets from Bhawanipur and Hazra in this van.
but brother Som, are you still doing this? No, I mean, you don't come here as before, so I thought you will not come here. That girl Mithai is the in charge now, right?
Ratan uncle, Mithai is grandpa's favorite. Oh my, I don't know whether you know this or not. Mithai is the daughter-in-law of the Modak family.
Oh no. But she didn't tell me this. Now what will happen to the master?
There, she is coming. Oh, by the way, madam has few things to say about the quality of cottage cheese. You be careful.
What is this? Shom? Why are you going? Wait. Please give me the list of sweets for Indian Color Festival. Please give it to me so that I can start making sweets with uncle.
Uncle, the new owner has arrived. She will handle everything.
I will leave.
Ratan, Shibu? Yes, master. Put the sweet trays in the van and Bhawanipur and Hazra's sweets also. Hurry up, go inside. Come, everyone.
Nitai, how are you?
I'm fine.
Wait, I brought something for you. Take this. It's for you.
But sister, you didn't tell me that you are the daughter-in-law of our boss. Is master in trouble now? Leave it. Let's go inside.
Let's go. Uncle, please listen to me. Shall I ask you something? Is this cottage cheese fresh? Same smell. Why is this cottage cheese smelling? How can you make good sweets without fresh cottage cheese? Okay, uncle. Am I saying anything wrong? If cottage cheese jaggery is not fresh, then how can you make good sweets?
What is this, uncle? New till now. Sweets were prepared from this cottage cheese. But now if you think that sweet is stale, cottage cheese is stale, then what do I do? Am I right? Tell Mr. Samresh that this Rashama is unable to supply cottage cheese. What do you say, Ratan? Yeah, we have to learn it again. That too from this chit of a girl. Madam, have you arranged for someone else to supply cottage cheese? If you need commission, quite, I would have given.
I know about this commission very well. I run my business all alone. But uncle, I have not fixed any supplier. If cottage cheese isn't good quality, then you can't make proper sweet. Give fresh cottage cheese from tomorrow, okay? Today we will make our own cottage cheese. Uncle, listen, we have to prepare lots of sweets for Indian Color Festival. Grandfather told me to make Indian sweet, and other sweets too. So let's get started.
Hey, why are you gossiping? Come on, hold this. Listen, keep the different colors in separate boxes. I mean, keep red, blue, yellow, and green colors in different boxes. Have you understood?
No, why do we need different boxes? We'll keep it in one carton. Why to increase?
Listen, Ratul, you are still a novice when it comes to these matters. That's why you will apply red color on Nipa's face. If all the colors are kept separately, then you will easily find it. So do as I say.
Yes, sir.
That's better.
Listen, shall I say something? What I'm saying is, may I click a picture, please? Hashtag colors.
Colors.
Listen, pack these two separately, okay?
These sweets are here too. Mithai hasn't yet returned from the base kitchen. I don't understand how to do the packing.
Don't worry, Aunt. I will help you. There are bulk orders for sweets on this festival day. How will she manage all alone?
Anyway, whatever you say, I'm amazed by Mithai's skill and ability. She's single-handedly doing so much work.
Really? I don't understand how does she work so much?
Yes. Nipa, this is not a matter you will understand. You were sitting on the couch for so long. You will just get up and come and sit here and give us instruction. What else will you do?
You just wait. You were standing so long behind the couch and then you came and sat here. Why do you always tease me?
Look, everyone is not the same. I have an objection to this. Oh, my.
What is your objection, brother? Is it in general or is it only for Nipa? Tell me.
Hey Nanda, what's happening here? I'll hit you now. Why are you teasing Ratul? Ratul, you have a very good quality. In your presence, you never let down Nipa.
Auntie, I don't like it if someone has been teased. I feel hurt. I mean, I'm demeaning myself. So, whenever Siddharth insults Mithai or demeans her, I will keep protesting.
Yes, Ratul. Even I feel the same way when he demeans Mithai.
Oh my. Everyone is having such a serious discussion. Why don't you all smile a bit? I have to upload something. I have to click some pictures. Hey Nanda, just get up. Get up. No, get up. Stop it. Get up.
Yes,
I need
I'm
to take
getting
a
up.
picture.
Okay.
Oh, come on, auntie. Come in front.
What happened?
And you
Yes.
come here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Ratul, come.
Yeah.
Here, smile.
What happened now?
Where is Mithai? She didn't come here. Now I am really upset. None of you are really interested in clicking pictures with me seriously. Listen,
Rajiv,
Yes.
have you started packing the colors?
Yeah.
The whole place is messed up.
That is bound to happen, Siddharth. You say whatever. Modak family is going to celebrate with colors. There will be a little mess.
Yes, the Modak family color festival is a matter of pride.
Yes.
Mithai has not been seen. Where is she? She should have fun. But why hasn't she come home yet?
Grandpa, I'm sure she must have taken her bicycle too. Enough. There must be a fiasco on the road for sure. Actually, Grandpa, she thinks of herself as a world-famous bicyclist. In reality, she doesn't know how to ride a bicycle.
In our time, husbands used to drop their wives.
Is it so?
No, I'm talking about our time, not now.
Okay.
It's night and our daughter-in-law is still out. This is not right. But the head of our family doesn't want to accept that. Strange. Siddharth is absolutely right. What if Mithai is in some trouble?
No, Grandma. Nothing is gonna happen to Mithai. But other people might get into problem if she goes out on her bicycle. What is the name of her bicycle? Munni.
Did you see that, uncle? People are talking rubbish about my Munni in this house. And what about when the son of your house bangs into my Munni?
Hey, listen. You better not talk like a foolish person.
Again, nonsense.
You're commenting on my driving skills. How dare she, Grandpa?
Okay. No need to quarrel. No. Please. Hey, Mithai, where were you? Why you got so late?
No, Dad, she did not get late. She's Mithai, you know that. Mithai went to each and every shop and asked them if they needed sweets. And she said she will make sweets at night without sleep. You don't need to worry.
Uncle, will I not give them the service?
Service. Okay, there is a special order from Bhawanipur's shop for Mithai sweets. I clearly said it was not possible before the color festival, but he said he will wait for it. Dad, I must say you found a genius for your shop.
Genius.
Uncle, tell her, what do you say? What is it called? What do you say? Don't cause any accident on the road. The way she's riding on the road, there'll definitely be a police case soon.
Grandfather, did you see that? Actually, you know what? Your grandson doesn't understand the business.
What did you say? What did you say? Come again?
No fighting till color festival. I'm wondering if we all go to farmhouse, then what will happen to our businesses?
Why, Grandpa? Your business was not running till date.
It was running, Shom, definitely running. But mind you, you were different at that time. You were taking order before the color festival. You were doing everything. You were handling everything. But now, by seeing your attitude, it seems you have nothing to do with us. You misunderstood a person like Grandpa. You said such hurtful things to him. No.
Oh, well. I just said what I felt. This is also a crime. And what about Siddharth? He left the house and hurt everyone. But Grandpa just embraced him.
Yes, you both are my gems. Come here, Som. Come here. Your grandpa can still embrace you. Anyway, after lots of my prayers, my Lord has fulfilled my wish. I'm very, very happy. Okay, listen, Halla Party. We will have fun now. Rajiv?
Yes?
Be ready. Okay, listen, tomorrow we'll be late to go. You all will go first.
As you wish, Grandpa. Holla Party will take all the responsibilities. So, Halla Party, say it together. It's Holi Festival.
It's Holi.
Come on, say loudly. It's Holi Festival.
Be quiet.
What happened?
It's holy. First the sacred bonfire, and then it's holy. You don't know anything.
As you say, Mom, darling. First grill, right?
Yes.
It's a grill day.
It is a grill day. What?
No, it's not.
No.
It's not rhyming properly. We have to come up with a new slogan. Listen, Nandu, my friend, darling, think and say something.
Just like that, huh?
What?
Just like that, Nandu. Nothing is coming to my mind. Mithai. Do you know Mithai sings really well? You say something?
Song? Yes, I know one. Today we grill food. Tomorrow is our Indian Color Festival. It's a full moon. Hail the Lord.
Hey,
Lord!
Today we grill food. Tomorrow is our festival. Today is a full moon. Hey, Lord! Today we grill food. Tomorrow is our festival. Today is a full moon. Hey, Lord! I see everyone has accepted this girl. Even Siddharth isn't listening to anything against her. That means she will stay here. I have to live amongst them and work quietly as per Britain uncle's advice. I have to keep my anger suppressed within me. On this festival, I have to take back my place. Then we will see what needs to be done.
Oh wow, auntie, is this also your house?
What did he say? Huh?
What?
Your house. Say our house. Do you know, Mithai? Dad bought this house for your grandmother. The name of the house in Rashibari is Monohara, and this house is called Pranohara.
Pranohara.
Yes, Dad addresses mom as Pranohara.
Really, auntie? Grandfather is a very good man. Grandfather loves grandmother so much.
Brother Sadashiv,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, sister.
Is everything fine here?
Everything is fine. I wait for you all. I was thinking, when will you all come? When I see all of you together, I feel very delighted.
Come here. Come. Now I understood.
Yes.
Listen, she is Mithai. She's a daughter-in-law. She's married to Siddharth.
Okay. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? No.
Why are you so upset? You looked after this house since so many years. Now you're a member of our family.
Did you see that, uncle? Our Mithai is a very sweet girl. We call her Mithai.
Sadashiv uncle, you must also call her by her name. We always call her by her name, Mithai. Right, brother Rajiv?
What? Yeah. Mithai is Mithai. Sadashiv uncle,
Yeah, tell me.
please serve us something. Sadashiv uncle, where is your yogurt? Bring it for them. Come on, hurry up.
Only I'll bring. You just sit
Yes,
there. I'll
yes.
bring. Yeah.
Listen, uncle, I'm coming too.
Hey, you want to work, right? If Grandpa comes to know that you are working here too, then he will rebuke us.
You are right, Nanda. Go and sit there with Mithai and I'll go there and check. Hey, listen. Please don't stand under the sun. You'll get a headache.
You please don't worry. I'm fine. Believe me. So sweet. Look, Nanda, learn something. You should take some inspiration from Mom, darling. Her husband has a headache and she's taking such good care of him. Mom, darling, do you know your daughter doesn't take care of me? What can we do? I guess it's my
What do you
day.
mean? What are you saying, huh? Nanda fulfills all your wishes and you are... How
Yeah,
can you
tell
say that
him,
to
tell
Nanda?
You didn't understand why Rajiv said this, right? He's pulling a leg. Let Sushmita come. I'll fix him.
Hey, look at her.
Let me just show you.
Wait.
Come here. Where are you running?
Wait, where are you going, brother?
Come here.
I won't allow you to hit brother-in-law.
You know, I will upload it on social media. Do you understand?
Yes. Click a photo and upload it. And write #tortured-son-in-law.
I will give you.
Aunt, why are you after him? After all, it's my body.
Abe, what is it?
Hey, look, the drink is here. Come on, everyone. Let's sit inside and drink it.
Yes.
Come.
Come.